How's it, everybody? And welcome back. Hamajang Eats. Today, I'm gonna try to make Kalua Pig. But I'm gonna do it in my Ninja Foodi. Not gonna dig an emu, not gonna dig a pit, get the lava rocks, chicken wire. Not gonna do that. Not gonna put it in the stove. Not gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna do it in the Ninja Foodi. I don't know, first time, so be nice. Let's get to it. I got 2 pounds of pork shoulder. So to get this started, I'm just gonna take the liquid smoke, pour it over, turn this over, get this in all the little cracks. Then I'm gonna take the Hawaiian salt, throw it on there. I'm gonna get this in all the crevices. You really wanna work this in on all sides. You wanna make sure you put it all over. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this leek in half, right down the middle. Then I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna clean this out because there's tons of dirt and dust and sand all up in the middle of that. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty gross. So I'm gonna get that taken care of. We are gonna put 2 cups of water in here first. See. 2 cups vegetable broth. This right there. So, got my pork. I'll put it right inside. I'm gonna just put these leaves right over the top. Best as I can. All right, we're back. I'm gonna turn this puppy on. I've got my steam lid. This on. Give that a turn, put it on seal. I'm gonna go pressure, go on high for 30 minutes. There it is. And I'm gonna start. So it's gonna pressurize for a bit. It's going to pressure cook for 30 minutes, and I'm going to naturally aspirate it. Water. Turn this down to a low. Let that sit for a few minutes. Let's see if I can take. Hey, that's hot. That's freaking hot. Oh wait, that's hot. Oh, but look at that pork. All right, I let the pork sit for 10 minutes. Here's that broth that's left over from the steamed pork. I'm going to use that to season my Kalua Pig and cabbage. I'm just going to throw a little bit of garlic salt on top. Yes, and I poured a cup and a half of the broth over top of this. Let it sit for a few minutes. I'm just going to get it all mixed in. Give it a few minutes with the cover on. This is ready to eat. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Okay. So this is my first time making it in the foodie. It is quite a bit different than making it Hawaiian style. Here we had to substitute liquid smoke for actual smoke. So it's a little bit different, but let's see what it tastes like. All right, let's see. A lot of. Okay. Take a little bit of this pork. Okay, it's all right. Tender. So the cabbage has taken on some of that broth flavor. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. So again, first time making Kalua style pork in the foodie. So I'll have to give this probably like a 7. If I were to give this a grade, a 7 out of 10. It's got good flavor, but it's not exactly Kalua Pig style flavor. So I'll have to work with this thing again, do a couple more trial runs and see what happens. But Kalua Pig and the Ninja Foodi. See you guys next week.